Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add your Shopify store to DSers. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from AliExpress and other suppliers directly to your customers. This can be a great way to start an e-commerce business without having to invest in inventory. In this video, I'll cover the following topics. What is DSers? How to sign up for DSers? How to connect your Shopify store to DSers? How to add products to your DSers account. How to place orders with DSers. How to manage your DSers orders. How to troubleshoot common DSers issues. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from AliExpress and other suppliers directly to your customers. This means that you don't have to stock any inventory yourself. Instead, when a customer places an order on your store, you simply place the order with your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. DSers offers a number of benefits, including easy to use. DSers is very easy to set up and use. Wide range of products. DSers has access to millions of products from AliExpress and other suppliers. Automatic order fulfillment. DSers can automatically place orders with your suppliers when you receive an order from a customer. Profitable. DSers allows you to set your own prices, so you can make a profit on each sale. How to sign up for DSers? To sign up for DSers, you'll need to create a DSers account. You can do this by going to the DSers website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've created an account, you'll need to verify your email address. You can do this by clicking on the link in the verification email that one DSers sent you. How to connect your Shopify store to DSers? Once you've verified your email address, you can connect your Shopify store to DSers. To do this, you'll need to go to the DSers website and click on the Connect Shopify button. You'll then be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Once you've entered your store URL, you'll need to click on the Connect button. DSers will then ask you for your Shopify store API key. You can find your API key by going to your Shopify store admin page and clicking on Settings, then click on Integration. Under the API Keys section, click on Create New API Key. Once you've entered your API key, you can click on the Submit button. DSers will then connect your Shopify store to your DSers account. How to add products to your DSers account. Once you've connected your Shopify store to DSers, you can add products to your DSers account. To do this, you can go to the DSers website and click on the Products tab. Then, click on the Add Products button. You'll then be prompted to enter the URL of the product you want to add. You can find product URLs on AliExpress or other supplier websites. Once you've entered the product URL, DSers will automatically fetch the product information, including the product name, description, images, and price. You can then edit the product information if you need to. Once you're happy with the product information, you can click on the Add Product button. How to place orders with DSers. Once you've added products to your DSers account, you can place orders with DSers. To do this, you can go to the DSers website and click on the Orders tab. Then, click on the Place Order button. You'll then be prompted to select the product you want to order, the quantity of the product, and the shipping address. Once you've entered all of the required information, you can click on the Place Order button. DSers will then place the order with your supplier. How to manage your DSers orders. Once you've placed an order with DSers, you can manage your orders in the DSers dashboard. You can track the status of your orders, view your order history, and print your order invoices. How to troubleshoot common DSers issues. If you're having trouble with DSers, there are a few things you can do. Check the DSers Help Center for troubleshooting articles. Contact DSers support. DSers is a great way to add dropshipping to your Shopify store. It's easy to use, and it gives you access to a wide range of products. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add your Shopify store to DSers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.